The tinsmith forgot to give me a heart.
No heart?
No heart. All hollow. When a man's an empty kettle.
The traits of a leader to me is someone who is comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Leadership is someone who represents the entire population.
I think the number one quality you have to have is really some sort of vision.
A good decision maker.
The qualities of a good leader, honestly, are being able to find leadership qualities in other people and actually pull that out of them.
Strength-based leadership, willing to stand alone in their truth.
A good leader stands out. A good leader knows how to blend in. A good leader is well-rounded and they understand their environment and what needs to be done.
I think a good leader is someone who is passionate and enthusiastic about the cause, and someone who loves people and who believes in people. I think that's one of the greatest traits a leader can have, is believing in their team.
Ignite a fire inside of people and then keep that fire going by refueling them, refueling them again with skills, knowledge, resources for them to then take their own leadership path.
The ability to kind of see the future and how things are changing, so that if you're guiding people into the future, you have an understanding of what direction you're going in and what obstacles you may need to overcome and how to help people overcome their obstacles in order to move forward.
I think some of the best leaders make and engage other leaders and help other leaders and other folks become better at working together collaboratively, working together as a team, and just moving to get the task done.
It's not just there to be telling us what to do. They are there to represent us.
And make positive change.
I'm a little